Look, I called this move in the premium, and gold dropped into the 4,000 levels today, and we saw a bounce back towards 4290. But on the 4-hour and daily time frames, the bounce isn't very significant yet. Right now the market is not just trading technicals; it's trading macro. And oil is elevated, bond yields are higher, the dollar is strong, and we still have geopolitical risk with Iran and Israel and the Strait of Hormuz situation. So, in my opinion, look, markets are basically trying to find the correct price with all this information, and they still haven't, right? So from an order flow perspective, on the 4-hour time frame, it currently shows about a 52.47 probability to the upside towards 4,700 levels, and a 47.53 probability towards the downside around 4,100. But when you zoom out on the daily time frame, you can see it actually shows 48%, for example, around there, probability towards 5600s, and 51.82 probably for more downside first, which means we could still see one more move lower before we start getting those bigger moves up. But if you want the levels, the order flow, and macro breakdowns before these moves happen, just like today, that's exactly what we go over in the premium. And I also post market updates and macro news in the free Telegram as well. So overall, right now, you got to understand patience is more important than over trading. The market is still deciding where it actually wants to price gold.